Last year was actually my first year teaching. So it was really cool for me to kind of this year see all of the changes with everything.
The desks were all different sizes. I had tall students that were sitting in super low desks and their chairs were high. Their legs didn't fit under it.
In the gym class, it was hard floors like this.
That nobody liked sitting on the ground with that dirty brown color. They thought their pants would get dirty, and most of the time their pants got dirty. The ground was really crusty. There's like marks everywhere. The ground did not match at all.
Each classroom had like different tile.
The tiles, they were waxed probably 10 times over and over again. There was like dirt waxed into the floor, there was gum waxed into the floor, probably some pencils and staplers. Just needed a refresh.
We first heard about it, I would say like a couple months before we ended the school year last year.
We have really good admin that gave us lots of time, right? And like let us know what we needed to pack up, what needed to go where. And then we were provided with boxes to pack everything up. Boxes, tape, markers, everything.
I think I had like 30 plus boxes in my room with all my curriculum.
I had about 40 boxes, right? And that was just curriculum stuff.
There couldn't be anything in the rooms except for our old desks because that's what they were throwing out. And my kind of thought process was like really nerve-wracking. How are they gonna get it all done? Over like the 2 months of the summer, there was like a lot to be done. I mean, all the floors had to be ripped up. All the old desks had to be thrown out in the dumpster, all the chairs, tiles with the cafeteria, the gym.
It was really exciting just to see like how much they cared about the renovations and how well they did them. And in the time that they did, it probably wasn't easy to do that in 2 months over the summer, and they got it all done.
It took a while, but it was all worth it in the end because now we have everything. It was so worth it.
They definitely noticed it as soon as they walked into the school where they were like, something's different around here.
And they're like, Miss Murphy, the new desk, the new chairs, the new floors.
Ah, they changed the floors.
When I saw the floors in the whole building, in the classrooms, I thought it was like crazy.
I felt really nervous to be walking on new floors. What if my shoes were dirty and I would ruin the whole floor? It would be all blamed on me.
Mr. McGlenn's your gym teacher. He loves the new floor and the gym.
The gym looked really cool, and that's also just all the kids are in the gym, right? And so that's really awesome for that to be renovated and for everyone to see. Even when we have our student of the month assemblies, the parents are in the gym, right? So that's great. Not only we get to see it and appreciate it, the families do too, students do too. So it just helps all of us.
I love the new desks. They're all the same size, and actually they're able to move up and down, which our old desks couldn't do. So no matter what height your student is, you can personalize it to them.
They're like wooden and plastic, and I can put my stuff in there and it's not see-through.
The cafeteria ladies love the new floor in the cafeteria. The kids loved it, the teachers loved it, all the staff love the renovations. Everything is so like in unison, and it just makes our school look so much cleaner and put together. When the school looks more put together, the kids feel more put together, the teachers and the staff feel more put together. We like coming to school more when everything looks nicer, and it's awesome.